Our world is constantly changing, which means we need to be able to continuously adapt and reinvent ourselves. And the secret to learning new things is to be willing to unlearn what you know, even if that knowledge brought you success in the past. Here at upliftyourlife.net, we believe lifelong learning and development is an essential and empowering skill. So we're committed to providing continual education that empowers individuals to excel in their personal and professional development. By helping develop your career and life skills, we are empowering you to succeed. With various useful, informative, and transformational resources, as well as traditional and digital tools to help you gain new knowledge, skills, and competencies, you'll become everything you could possibly be. Let us inspire you to reach your true potential. So come and uplift your life today.